Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ram Outdoorsman Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E1829P. 32,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Maximum steel metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Cloth interior. Seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat load floor. Additional storage underneath, as well as in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And power sliding window for extra ventilation. The Ram is very unique. It is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate, backup camera and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Outdoorsman has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. Lots of storage space. And the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and rear slide window control. Under the hood, this Ram is a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and the city average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.